Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to create a Papa John's account. Open the website at papajohns.com, then click Sign Up. Now, enter all the required information such as your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and the password you wish to use, and your birth date. After entering all the required information, click on the tick box to confirm that you understand and agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Also, if you wish to get Papa John's latest rewards and offers, click on the tick box beside SMS/text or email to receive notifications. Then click on the Create Your Account button. And now your account has been created. Just enter your delivery address, then start ordering. That's how you create a Papa John's account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.